Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to a wallet in 2025. If you're holding crypto on Robinhood and want more control over your assets, this guide is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your coins safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, why should you transfer your crypto? In 2025, with evolving regulations and security concerns, keeping your assets in a personal wallet gives you full ownership and access to advanced features like staking or DeFi. Plus, it's a smart move to avoid platform risks. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app or website and log in to your account. Make sure your profile is up to date, as 2025 brings new verification requirements for crypto transfers. Step 2. Navigate to your crypto portfolio. Find the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Tap or click on it to view details. Step 3. Look for the Transfer or Withdraw option. In 2025, Robinhood has streamlined this with a new interface, so it should be straightforward. You'll need to enter the wallet address where you want to send your crypto. Double-check this address, it's crucial to avoid losses. Step 4. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, which have increased due to blockchain upgrades, so factor that in. Review the transaction details carefully. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. You'll likely need to authenticate with two-factor verification, a standard security measure in 2025. Once done, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. It could take minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Finally, after the transfer, check your wallet to ensure everything arrived safely. Always keep your private keys secure and consider using hardware wallets for extra protection. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.